Sup guys, Watercool Full, and today I'm going to show you some of the light profiles that I have on my keyboard with the Max Keyboard translucent black keycap replacements. And again, I got this 50 bucks at Amazon.com, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like in a more low light setting. I'm going to go ahead and turn off this light. It's not like the lighting's great here anyway because it's nighttime here in Colorado. Sorry about that with my phone, but let's go ahead and go onto the keyboard, try to get this focused as much as possible because I know sometimes during really low light settings the camera may or may not pick up the keyboard the way you want to. So let me go ahead and back it up. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the light and just keep in mind my monitor may be interfering with the lighting as well. Okay, this is the standard default lighting profile for your, pretty much I would assume would be your K65, your K70 or your K95. So I'm going to go ahead and go through some of the lighting profiles in my little repertoire that I have built up and everything like that. So this is called 39. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty cool, I have to say. So let me see if I can center it more. There we go. And we'll back out a little bit. So if you hit a key, it expands. And what I did, I had the arrow keys on the right hand side over here, and I moved them right here. So these are the original K65 arrow keys, but I just put them right here. So I thought that would be kind of cool that I did that. Alright. Next, we're going to do Knight Rider, which is one of my favorites that I like to use. We also have Corrosive right there. Next, we're going to have the Doppler effect. So it's kind of cool how it does that. And I'm not sure, yeah, it doesn't light up if you hit it. Or it actually does. That's kind of cool. Alright. Next is going to be the EMP, where you hit any button and it kind of changes colors and it lights up. Next, we're going to have the Equalizer. Again, this is more of less a show. It doesn't really do anything, I think, when you hit the keys. Kind of a DJ effect. Next, we're going to do Fire and Ice, and this is a new profile that I imported, which looks pretty cool. So you have the ice right here, and then you have the fire. So I think that's pretty cool. So next up, we're going to do Firestorm. And you can get all these profiles via the Corsair website. Okay, you're going to have Lightning. So what's cool is you hit a key and then it goes around like a lightning bolt. It's pretty cool. Alright. Next up, my favorite movie of all time is The Matrix. So this is the Matrix mode right here. Okay, next we have Minecraft. So I'm not sure what it does or anything like that. So it looks like it lights up when you hit the space bar and everything, which is kind of cool. Now Nyan keys. I'm not sure if this will work or not, but I think it lights up as you're hitting the key. Yep. And next is Pac-Man. So you can kind of tell, you know, these are the dots and that's Pac-Man right there, and then this is a little ghost chasing Pac-Man, which is pretty cool. Next is Payday. So that's what that looks like. So it turns yellow when you hit the keys. And then next is Plasma. which I think is really cool. And then it kind of lights up when you hit the button. Alright. Next up is Rainbow Crazy. I'm trying to remember what this key profile does. I'm not sure if it does anything because I remember I was having kind of some problems with some of the profiles for some reason. So do Rainbow Link, and then pretty much if you hit caps it changes colors and everything. And then we have Rainbow Random, we have Rainbow Relapse, so that kind of changes everything. Okay, next we have Rainbow Retraction. Hit a key here, so it doesn't do anything, I don't think. Okay, next we're going to do Rainbow Hole, and I think this is one of the key profiles that was giving me trouble as well for some reason. Okay, this is Rave, so definitely can annoy your friends going to a LAN party if you have this on your keyboard. Okay, next is Reactive Rainbow. I'm not sure if it'll work, but it should. So each key that you tap, it's going to change color. Next is Starman. This is an old video game, I believe. Okay. Next we have Streak. Not sure if this is the same. Yeah. So you hit it and it kind of shoots a light across it. Next is Super Saiyan, Dragon Ball Z. You'll see it in a second. So I think that's kind of cool. Alright, next we have Thunderstorm. Let me scroll down. There we go. This is what Thunderstorm looks like. Okay. Hit some keys, see if it does anything. So it looks like it kind of lights up when I hit the keys, I believe. We have Thunderstorm 2, which I don't think, yeah, it does. It's almost like the lightning where it scatters everywhere. Okay, then we have, I believe the last profile. Well, we're not there yet. We got one more after this one. This is called Underwater. So let me see if I can do this and then do that. So the lights are very bright, as you can tell. And then the final one should be Wavelength. So that's what that looks like. Not sure if you hit a key or anything it will do. Oh, it does. So it does change color and everything where you hit. That's kind of cool. Okay, now I'm going to go scroll back up to the one I had it before, which was 39. That's what the profile I've been using. Hopefully I'm in the camera and I did that pretty quick. But anyways guys, thank you for watching. Again, this is the Max Keyboard keycap replacement, 50 bucks on Amazon. They are the translucent black keycaps. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your support. And as always, comment, subscribe, rate this video, share this video, and you guys have a great day now.